poppin', man? It's your boy, veteran, block movers. You already know. Shout out my squad, you know what I mean? Rich Poe, all day. Sean Diego, you know what I mean? Willie Blinks, you know what I mean? Dubs. A lot of niggas in the, you know what I mean, on the team kinda strong right now too. Misery the Warrior, Young Blaze. Shout out to my nigga Paul behind on the scene, you feel me? A lot of niggas, man, introducing the album, you know what I'm saying? I'm from the hood, you know what I'm saying? First album, you know what I mean? Solo joint, you know what I mean? Fresh home, you know what I mean? Doing a little big, you know what I mean? Snuffing, something small to a giant, you know what I mean? Boy home now, especially our faggot ass niggas out there. But a lot of shit going down for the summer, you know what I mean? Like I said, I'm working on a solo album, mixtape coming soon, you know what I mean? World War III, block movies, you know what I'm saying? Volume 4. It's crazy, you know what I'm saying? Mixtapes, you got some fire up there, you know what I mean? Shout out to a lot of niggas in VA, New York, you know what I'm saying? Harlem, you know what I mean? Knox, DMP and all that, you know what I mean? Shout out to my nigga Sean Diego for making that pop off, you know what I mean? Shout out to TR, you know what I mean? Future Records, my niggas Cartels and all my buzzins and all that. Fucking who else, man? Shout out to a lot of niggas, man. Shout out to Dipset too, man. My dude Joel's, man. Brother, man, you know what I'm saying? 50 dudes, you know what I mean? 51st, man. Shout out to all my dudes up there, uptown, you know what I mean? Shout out to a lot of niggas, man. Poe album coming real soon. Stinking Doze, you know what I'm saying? Hold your heads, you know what I'm saying? My niggas, they be on soon, man. It's crazy, man. The squad's strong, man. Your boy in his job, man. Bill J, fam. PYP, all y'all faggot ass niggas, man. It ain't about your money, man. You ain't on your grind, man. You on your grind, man. I'm out, you know what I mean?
Hold up, before you go though, man, I gotta ask you a question.
What's good, man?
What makes your album different from any other nigga album coming out?
Man, it's like I'm talking about true story shit, you know what I mean? It ain't no bullshit, man. It's true story shit, man. You know what I'm saying? I had time to sit down, think, you know what I'm saying, about a lot of shit, you know what I mean? I put my all into this album, you know what I'm saying? So it's good guap, man, you know what I'm saying? Niggas gonna like it, the streets gonna feel it. Got something for everybody, you know what I mean, to listen to, man. It's gonna be a good album, man, you know what I'm saying? Watch out for it, man. The boy coming, watch out for me, man. It's veteran, man. You know what I mean? Harlem VA connection, man. All my dudes out there, all my homies, Stand Up, Domo, Pender, you know what I mean? Shout out to all my niggas out there. Shout out to all my niggas Lockdown, my nigga Lil J, my nigga G, you know what I mean? All my homies, man, y'all niggas already know what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Coming soon, nigga. Holla at your boy.